Good morning, dear students. Our today's topic is finding the smallest number to be subtracted so as to make it a perfect square. Okay, let us see one example. Suppose the number we are having is 1030 and we want to make this number as a perfect square by subtracting some number from it. Okay, yesterday and in the morning lecture also we have seen if it is to be multiplied and divided, we need to find prime factors. And if it is to be added or subtracted, we need to use the division method. So please remember this thing, that whenever we want to use multiplication and division, we want to find the number to be multiplied and divided, we need to use the prime factorization method. And when we want to find out the number to be added or subtracted, we need to use the division method. So as here the question is find the smallest number to be subtracted, we will be using division method. And as you all know, first step for the division method is to write down the squares, and here I have written the squares in the margin. Secondly, we will mark the symbol of division here and I will write the number inside it. The third step we are having is to form the pairs from right. So like this I have formed the pairs from right. So this rightmost pair is 30 and then we are having 10. Now let us check which number is near about 10, a perfect square. Okay, as this 10 is having only one 0, 10 is not a perfect square, that we know. Okay, so 3 3s are 9. This is a nearer number to it. Fine. Then remainder is 1. This 30 will come down. Okay. Now this 3 plus 3, that is 6. Now here we want to place some digit so that whatever the number will form, we have to multiply the number by the same digit. Here only one 0 is there and here we don't have any number, so that if we will put it over here and we will get ones place as the 0. If we will put 0 here, then it will be 60 zeros are 0 and we cannot divide, isn't it? By 0 means our division will remain incomplete. So let us check with some another number. If I will put 1 here, then it will become 61 and the number will be 61 ones are 61. Very small it is. Let us check with 2. 62 twos are. Okay, let us see. 62 twos are 124. It is quite a nearer number. Okay, we can judge it. So I will place 2 here. 62 twos are 124. Here the remainder is 6 and I will add this 2 here, that is 64. Here remainder is 6. Okay, we got the remainder as 6 over here. It means that the given number is definitely a non-perfect square. And our question is find the smallest number to be subtracted so as to make it a perfect square. So if we will subtract this 6 from 1030, what happens? Let us see. It will be, therefore 6 is the required number. It implies 1030 minus 6 is equal to 1024 and this is nothing but the square of 32. Understood? And as we all know, 32 square is 1024. So we got the required correct answer. Fine. So I will repeat the steps for you. This given number is a non-perfect square. We want to make it a perfect square by subtracting a smallest number, any smallest number from that. Now how to find out that smallest number? Earlier I have told you that for finding the number to be added and subtracted, we are going to use the division method. So division method we will be using. First step for division method is to write down the squares here that I have already written. Second step is to mark the square root sign here, division sign for the finding the square root, that I have done. Third step, I have formed the pairs right from right side. So first pair is having 30, second pair is having 10. I have started with the division. I found 3 3s are 9 is the nearer number by which we can divide 10 initially. So 1 is the remainder. Next pair we have taken down here. Then 3 plus 3 it is 6, and we want to place one digit at one's place. So we have selected 2 here because 62 2s are 124, which is a nearer number to 130. Understood everyone? Any doubt? If you are having any doubt, you can ask me personally. I will clear that. Fine. Remainder is 6. It means that 6 is the required number which is to be subtracted so that the remaining number will be a perfect square. And 1030 minus 6, that is equal to 1024, and its square root is 32, which we got here in the quotient itself. Understood everyone? As today is our homework day, I am going to give you some questions. Please solve it in the notebook using black pen. Stay home, stay safe, have a great day.